Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. For our last video of 2019, today we're going to be making an outdoor cooking tripod. This one will be a little bit different. It'll have an S-hook for the top of it, but we are also going to be adding a tray at the bottom with some steel mesh or expanded steel, and it will hang probably a foot or two below the S-hook itself. And this one will be on its way to Arkansas when it's finished up. So anyway, join us today and look forward to 2020. I want to give a special shout out to everybody that has joined the channel here recently. Thank you for all the new subscriptions. As of the time of this video, we are only a few people away from 500 subscribers. So that's exciting. And also, I want to give a shout out again to our sponsors, A&W Welding and Make It Yours. Look for the links in our description to our partners and sponsors. And thank you for joining me. See you guys in the new year. Alright, so there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's build. It was a lot of fun to make. I've made several of these. This is the first one that I've done with the hanging basket. This was kind of a special request. And I guess I should say I hope you can hear me. It means we're outside and there's traffic going by. But again, Happy New Year to everybody. Thank you for following along. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. I love all the comments. And again, thank you to our sponsors, A&W Welding and Make It Yours. Hope you guys have a very wonderful New Year's. Be safe, and we'll see you in 2020. Thank you.